Hey, why is she all red? What?
Where's it?
Pray, Fuzzface has got firepower.
Cute. How did it get its hands on that?
The zoo just went. Somebody.
Oh, just went for what? A swift monkey move had him out before I blinked.
Don't sprint, they sense fear. Too late.
Shake it. Duck, dip, dive. Too slow.
Can I get in? A bat in the monkey's grip turns every moment into potential mayhem. Why?
Oh, that hit was real. Do something.
Who left the cage door open?
Like day pays note. Oh. My survival instinct just speed boosted. Ooh. Target. Oh.
Ooh.
My fitness tracker just filed a complaint. Catch me if you can.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Too much. Oh no, they're out cold.
How did a day at the zoo end up like this?
Duck, man, bleed.
Take notes, kids. This is peak evolutionary dead end.
Was it on purpose?
Gimme a fist bump, furry homie. Ooh.
Down goes the tourist. Lights out. Who smuggled the stone of shame in here? Ouch! Get out and face me, Hey!
Is it legal? Hope it doesn't bite back, buddy. Ew, the thing's still wriggling. Is that how a monkey operates, or is it just luck? Hold up, did it plan that move?
Let me test the bars. Ooh. Ah! Signed with spite, hurled with velocity. Boom!
Badge, boots, beatdown, my holy trinity.
Escape route? Any route. Look, it's the limited edition human collectible.
Was it on purpose?
Look, it's the limited edition human collectible.
He tagged her.
Just out of reach.
Keep those furry mitts to yourself. They just... Oh!
Ah!
Hope you like hospital food, banana bread.
No more jokes. Let me out.
Let me test the bars. Produce bandit strikes again, but why?
How did a day at the zoo end up like this? Any chance this place comes with free...
Ah!
Ooh!
Ah!
Someone's about to get a timeout jungle style.
Okay, unexpected wardrobe change. Someone grabbed the key like yesterday.
Come on.
If I have to eat one more zoo peanut, I'm suing.
I wonder if this work.
Oh no, help!
My shadow's doing circles around you, champ. Who put the intern in the enclosure again?
Should we call animal control or police?
Should we call animal control or police?
Moomy, help me.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called Oops.
I'm too young to be a snack.
Can I get in?
Almost had it, almost.
Oh! I don't want to play anymore.
The monkey's strike knocked him out, fast and clean.
Who put human?
Monkey plus fire. Lovely. Put those cancer sticks back.
Any chance this place comes with free Wi-Fi? Zoo trip just turned cardio.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called Oops.
Bah, mama.
Oh!
Somebody get the...
I don't want to play anymore.
They are stuck. Get them out. Does it know what it's doing? Did it plan that? Who put... Back off, furball.
Ooh.
Is it gonna cook or stab?
Oh God, help!
I guess they got too close to the bar.
We've got green light. Execute. Loaded. Ooh.
Battens out.
That knockout was cinematic. Almost.
Monkey business. Just...
Down goes the tourist. Out.
Should we call animal control or police?
Write a complaint, if you still can hold a pen. What happened here?
They are stuck. Get them out.
Nightstick Express. Next stop, pain.
Okay, next time we read the keep hands and friends outside the enclosure sign.
Think you're tough. He's out cold.
Stop. Quick dress up. Security is about to have an interesting day.
Why me?
Monkey with handcuffs, great.
Random accessory. Neat.
Score, snack. Uh-oh, now he's law enforcement.
Oh,
Oh!
how do I?
Ah,
Ooh,
Ooh!
ah.
This is bad. So bad. Where's it taking them?
Should we call animal control or police?
I fall.
Okay, next time we read the keep hands and friends outside the enclosure sign.
Oh!
The walkout was cinematic, almost artfully understated.
They clearly need help.
Wow, that monkey.
Look, it's the limited edition human collectible.
If you're conscious, blink twice.
Don't touch me.
I should help them, right?
Oh no, help! Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, in a flash. They're out cold.
Oh no, help. If I have to eat one more.
Poor.
Don't touch me.
Damn you, weaponized bowel fury. Great, now I smell like a sewer smoothie.
Any chance this place comes with free Wi-Fi?
This enclosure's about to become a barbecue pit.
Why? Ah!
Ooh. Ah!
Fire in the fur hole.
Stay away from me, rabbit.
Hard hat required.
Who thought that this would happen?
On the upside, 0. Woo!
Woohoo!
Inspection crew here. Perform or perish.
Please help me.
Do something. No consent? Ever heard of it, monkey?
Tell my mom I love her.
Call a zookeeper.
Get your hand off them, you filthy animal.
Monkey.
Oh,
Notice.
He's arresting vibes.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
my survival instinct just speaks. Ooh.
That hit was real. Dude, bro, you're gonna wrinkle the visitor.
Look fun. Dangerous, but fun.
Security's about to have an interesting day. Hehe, try to touch me, stupid animal.
Nope. Bug on board.
Call a zookeeper.
This isn't fun anymore.
I'm kind of...
Fast.
Ah.
He's down, help.
That look fun. Dangerous, but fun.
Random accessory, neat.
Get your hand off them, you filthy animal.
Somebody get them out of there.
Pretty sure kidnapping isn't part of enrichment time. If you're conscious, blink twice.
Oh. Someone misplaced security gear. Uh-oh, now he's law enforcement.
Okay. Wow.
Ah, mama. Ooh.
Ooh.
Security's about to have an interesting day. He's arresting vibes only.
Return to sender? Not this time. Straight to...
Ah. Unexpected. That hit was real. Do something.
Put those cancer sticks back. Someone's about to get a timeout jungle style.
Keep that thing away from me. Security's about to have an interesting day.
Someone's about to get a timeout.
Dude, that crippled. That was too good for an animal.
Wait. That monkey just grabbed it as if it knows how to use it.
I need help. I'll take it.
Okay, next time.
Out cold before I could blink. Get help, quick!
Because they clearly need help.
Oh, now he's law enforcement. Look, instant dress up by a monkey stylist.
Why did I agree to this trip? I want out.
That is a strong grip.
Scary.
I guess they got too close to the bars. Showtime. Monkey scene. Bro, you're gonna wrinkle the visitor. Signed with spite, hurled with velocity, boom. Get security. Free hugs weren't on today's itinerary. Get out and face me. They just collapsed. Too slow, monkey. These bars aren't made for you. Monkey with handcuffs, great.
What is going on? That hurt!
Come at me.
Oh no, they're out cold. Did it mean to do that?
Stop!
Out of my way. He just found a portable.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ape 1, tourist 0. Down goes the tourist.